What if you could put up a functional, durable steel building in as little as 2 days and spend a fraction of what a traditional structure would cost? That is not a marketing tagline. That is the reality of Quonset hut kits in 2026. And today we are pulling back the curtain on everything: the real prices, the real assembly timelines, and the catches the kit brochures never mention. Stay with me until the end of this video because we are going to go through size-by-size pricing, show you what a DIY build actually involves, and give you the honest total cost picture so you can make a smart decision. If this is the kind of no-fluff, research-backed content that helps you, hit that subscribe button right now and ring the notification bell. We post videos on affordable building and home design every week, and we do not sugarcoat the numbers. What is a Quonset hut kit and why are people talking about them? In 2026, a Quonset hut is a prefabricated steel arch building. The name comes from Quonset Point in Rhode Island, where the design was first manufactured for the U.S. Navy in 1941. The military needed structures that were fast to ship, fast to assemble, and tough enough to survive harsh conditions. Decades later, that same design DNA is why civilians are still buying them. A Quonset kit comes pre-cut, pre-drilled, and pre-formed at the factory. Every complete arch is 2 feet wide. The arches bolt together on site. You do not need heavy equipment for most builds. You do not need a specialized crew. What you get in the kit package are the arch panels, fasteners, nuts, bolts, and assembly instructions. That is the shell. And here is where the honest conversation begins, because the shell is not the whole building, and we will talk about that in detail shortly. What has changed in 2026 specifically is that steel prices have softened after years of volatility. Domestic and global steel mill capacities have completely normalized following the volatile 2021 to 2023 spikes, and sourcing commercial-grade galvalume steel is highly stable right now. Kit prices are currently trending downward and are expected to stabilize throughout 2026 due to increased supply and improved material availability. That is genuinely good news for buyers who were priced out in recent years. The 3 shapes you need to know before you shop. Not all Quonset kits are the same shape, and the shape affects both cost and usability. There are 3 primary models. The S model, sometimes called the straight wall model, gives you vertical side walls with a curved roof sitting on top. This is the most popular for workshops, garages, and residential use because the straight walls give you usable wall space all the way to the floor. You can hang shelving, mount cabinets, and fit standard doors and windows without awkward framing. The Q model is the classic full arch. The structure curves from the ground up in one continuous arc. It is the most structurally efficient design and often the least expensive per square foot. But the curved walls mean you lose usable space as the walls angle inward toward the floor. The P model is a hybrid that combines a raised straight wall section with a rounded arch top. It offers more interior headroom than a pure Q and more vertical wall space than a basic arch. It tends to cost slightly more than the Q model. For most residential and farm use, the S model or P model is going to give you the most functional interior. Keep that in mind when you are comparing kit prices online. The real price breakdown in 2026. Kit-only versus turnkey. Here is where a lot of buyers get tripped up, so pay close attention. There is a major difference between kit-only pricing and what it actually costs to have a functional building. Kit-only prices in 2026 range from about $10 to $20 per square foot, depending on the supplier, gauge of steel, model, and size. On the lower end of the market, some suppliers advertise kits from as low as $8 to $14 per square foot for basic raw arch packages. Those are real numbers, but they represent the raw arch structure only. Here is what the kit price does not include: the concrete foundation, the end walls, the doors, the windows, insulation, interior finishing, electrical, plumbing, and delivery. Each of those line items adds real money to your project. Let us walk through the actual size-by-size numbers. A 20 by 20 foot kit, which is about 400 square feet, typically runs $5,000 to $12,000 for the shell. With modest site prep and simple insulation, expect a total in the range of $15,000 to $25,000, depending on your region. A 30 by 40 foot kit is one of the most commonly purchased sizes. The kit alone runs approximately $7,200 to $24,000. Once you add end walls, a concrete slab, delivery, and basic assembly, you are looking at a total installed cost of roughly $42,000 to $70,000. That is the honest number. A 40 by 60 foot building, which gives you 20,400 square feet of floor space, runs $40,000 to $70,000 for the kit alone. Turnkey with a heavy foundation, insulation, basic doors, and electrical Expect $75,000 to $120,000 or more, depending on your finishes and location. Anyone quoting you a turnkey price below that range on a building this size is not including everything you actually need. To put it in per square foot terms, kit only typically lands between $20 and $35 per square foot. A dried-in shell, meaning the kit is assembled on a slab with end walls and doors, runs roughly $40 to $80 per square foot. A near turnkey build with insulation and basic electrical runs $50 to $95 per square foot or higher in premium markets. One more thing to factor in is your location. West Coast buyers are typically looking at 10 to 18% higher costs due to permitting fees and transportation. Areas with heavy snow or high wind loads require thicker gauge steel, which also adds to the base kit price. Your zip code literally determines the steel gauge your building will be engineered to, and that affects the final kit quote. The hidden costs most buyers discover too late. This section is worth your full attention, because these are the costs that catch people off guard. End walls are the #1 surprise. A standard Quonset kit only includes the curved arch panels. The two flat ends of the building, front and back, are not automatically included in budget kits. Factory steel end walls typically cost $4,000 to $8,000 per pair. If you go the DIY wood framing route, budget $2,000 to $4,000 per end wall for materials alone. Insulation is another major variable. Bad insulation typically adds $0.90 to $2.30 per square foot. Spray foam, which is strongly recommended for curved interiors to prevent condensation on the steel, runs $5 to $12 per square foot installed. On a 30 by 40 building, that is a very meaningful addition to your budget, and it is not something you want to skip if the building will have any climate-sensitive use. Door framing on a Quonset hut requires custom work because of the curved walls. Garage door openings, walk doors, and windows all need special framing, and that adds cost beyond what a flat-wall metal building would require. Delivery typically adds $200 to $1,000, depending on your distance from the supplier and the size of the shipment. Always confirm whether delivery is included before you purchase. Foundation work, whether a full concrete slab or a perimeter pier system, adds anywhere from 15 to 35% of the total project cost. This is a much larger share than most buyers expect. A professionally poured 4 to 6 inch concrete slab with footings costs between $6 and $10 per square foot. And because a Quonset relies entirely on its base connection for structural integrity, cutting corners on concrete is not an option. For heavy equipment storage or a garage, plan on a full 6-inch engineered slab. Permits and site prep round out the list in most U.S. counties. You will need a building permit and engineer-stamped drawings to go with it. Budget between 5 and 10% of total project cost for permits and site preparation in most markets. And factor in lead time because permit approvals can take weeks in some jurisdictions. How long does it actually take to assemble a Quonset kit? This is one of the most appealing parts of the Quonset story, and the good news here is largely accurate. A professional crew of 3 to 4 workers can erect a 30 by 40 Quonset in 2 to 4 days. A 40 by 60 takes approximately 4 to 6 days for a professional crew. That is just the arch assembly on a prepared foundation. For DIY builders, expect roughly double those timelines if you have no prior experience with this type of construction. That means a 30 by 40 DIY build typically takes 4 to 8 days of actual assembly time for the shell. The math behind the speed is straightforward. A team of 3 people can assemble and raise 6 to 8 complete arches per day. Since each arch is 2 feet wide, a 40-foot-long building needs 20 complete arches. Each of those arches is made up of 4 to 5 individual curved panels that bolt together before the arch is raised into position. That math tracks to roughly 2.5 to 3 days of arch work for an experienced team, which is why the professional timelines are not exaggerated. One important note, these timelines cover arch assembly only. Foundation work is a separate phase done weeks in advance to allow the concrete to cure properly. End wall framing, door installation, insulation, and interior finishing are all separate phases that add days or weeks, depending on how you approach them and how complete you want the final building to be. For smaller builds, the speed is even more impressive. A basic 20 by 20 kit with a motivated 2 or 3 person DIY team can realistically have the arch assembled in a single weekend. Die versus hiring a crew. What makes sense for your project? The DIY decision comes down to 3 things: your skill level, your time, and your total budget. For buildings under 3,000 square feet, roughly 75% of buyers choose to construct their own Quonset. That is a significant majority, and it reflects how genuinely accessible these kits are designed to be. The panels come pre-cut and pre-drilled. There is no cutting on site. The main tools you need are wrenches, sockets, a drill, a tape measure, and basic hand tools. A DIY build can save you 30 to 60% on overall project cost compared to hiring a full crew. Even if you act as your own general contractor and hire out only specialized work like the slab pour and electrical, you can save 10 to 20% compared to handing the whole project to a GC. The honest caution here is that DIY on a Quonset hut requires good planning and careful execution, even though the process itself is straightforward. Poorly aligned arches at the base can create problems that compound as the building goes up. Having at least 2 other people to help with lifting and alignment is not optional. It is a safety and accuracy requirement. Most suppliers recommend a minimum crew of 3 for any arch assembly. Also keep in mind that a DIY build extends your total timeline significantly. Foundation, arch assembly, end walls, insulation, and interior finishing done as a part-time project over weekends can stretch across several months. If you need the building operational quickly, a professional crew may be worth the premium. The honest comparison. Quonset versus standard metal building. A lot of people discover Quonset kits because advertised kit prices look dramatically cheaper than other steel building options. That comparison deserves an honest answer. At the kit-only level, yes, Quonset prices are lower. The simple arch design uses less steel than an I-beam framed metal building, and that savings shows up in the initial kit price. But here is what the total cost picture actually looks like. A turnkey 30 by 40 Quonset hut typically lands between $42,000 and $70,000. A comparable standard rigid frame metal building of the same footprint typically runs $45,000 to $75,000 turnkey because straight wall buildings require heavier foundation engineering to handle the structural loads at the corners. The gap is much smaller than the kit-only comparison suggests, and in configurations that require high-end spray foam insulation, the Quonset can end up at a similar price point or slightly higher. There is also the usable space factor. The curved walls of a Q model reduce functional floor area by 20 to 25% compared to what the footprint implies. A standard metal building with straight walls gives you every square foot you are paying for. That said, Quonset huts have real advantages that a straight wall building does not. The arch design is exceptionally strong under snow and wind loads. There are no interior columns breaking up the floor plan. The exterior requires minimal maintenance compared to painted metal panels. And the visual character of a Quonset, particularly the S model with its curved roofline, has genuine appeal for residential, agricultural, and creative studio applications. The right answer depends on what you are building and what you value. If interior usable space per dollar is the primary goal, a standard rigid frame metal building often wins on pure math. If low maintenance, structural resilience, and fast DIY assembly matter more to you, the Quonset is a legitimate and compelling option. Tips for getting the best price onto Quonset kit in 2026. Since prices are stabilizing and trending downward in 2026, this is a better buying window than the previous 2 or 3 years. Here are the moves that save real money. Get at least 3 or 4 competing quotes before you commit. Prices vary significantly between suppliers for the same footprint, and some buyers have reported saving 20 to 28% simply by comparing quotes from multiple manufacturers. Do not accept the first number you are given. Check for seasonal and clearance sales. Several major suppliers run sales on select models throughout the year. Buying your kit in late fall or winter for a spring build often gets you a better price on the kit itself, and it gives you time to complete your permit and foundation work before assembly season. Clarify exactly what is included in the kit price before you sign anything. Ask specifically whether end walls, delivery, and base connectors are included or priced separately. The difference between a kit that includes factory walls and one that does not can be $4,000 to $8,000 right there. If your budget is tight, consider the Q model over the S model. It is typically less expensive per square foot and structurally very efficient, though you will give up some usable floor area along the curved walls. And finally, if you are going DIY, invest serious time in the planning phase before the kit arrives. Read the assembly manual before your materials show up. Walk through the process mentally. A well-planned DIY build goes significantly faster and avoids the kind of mistakes that require rework on a steel structure. Is a Quonset kit right for you? In 2026, Quonset hut kits in 2026 represent a genuinely compelling option for people who want a durable, fast-to-build steel structure without the full cost of traditional construction. The assembly speed is real. The DIY potential is real. And with steel prices softening this year, the timing is actually quite favorable for buyers. But go in with clear eyes. The kit price is the starting line, not the finish line. Factor in your foundation, which can represent 15 to 35% of your total budget on its own. Factor in end walls, insulation, doors, and regional costs before you set a final number. Know which model suits your use case. Get multiple quotes. And if you are planning a DIY build, respect the planning process and get at least 2 other people involved in the assembly. Done right, a Quonset kit gives you a building that will outlast most of what you could put up for the same money. Done without the full picture, it can end up costing more than expected with less usable space than you planned for. We hope this video gave you the honest breakdown you were looking for. If it did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who is considering a steel building project, and subscribe so you do not miss our upcoming video where we go deep on prefab metal building options for under $50,000 in 2026. We will see you in the next one.